Hello there, and welcome back to How to Do Anything. Consider subscribing, because this video is definitely going to make you want to subscribe. Anyway, for today's very quick video, I'm going to show you how to take your Godzilla statue and make him hold a pen. It's a drawing pen, but it's a pen. It's a Faber-Castell Pit artist pen. So, I'm going to show you how to do that, and in case you're wondering what the inside of the pen looks like, it looks like this. Looks like that. Impressive, isn't it? Yeah, I thought so. Okay, so before I do this, click the subscribe button, hit the bell, do all the things, and thank you for watching this incredibly important and informative video. Alright, so you're going to take the pen, and you see the arms here. You're going to put the pen in his arms. You're going to make him hold your pen, because Godzilla needs to learn how to write, because he never went to school. He's been at the bottom of the ocean, and he hasn't done anything worthwhile except for destroy stuff. So, Godzilla, shape up, okay, buddy? Alright, here we go. Take the pen and do this. And now, Godzilla can get an education, which is very important, and this is totally another video that I'm doing at nearly 6 o'clock in the morning because I needed to upload a new video, because I haven't uploaded one in a week. Subscribe.